You're looking at an AM General M925A1 5-ton 6x6 cargo truck with a 14-foot drop-side cargo body. Powered by a Cummins NHC 250 6-cylinder naturally aspirated diesel engine driven through an Allison automatic transmission with a 2-speed transfer case and power steering. Vehicle is equipped with a 20,000-pound capacity, hydraulically driven self-recovery winch, and a soft-top cabin closure. The odometer reads 11,937 miles with 89 hours of operations on the meter. Rebuilt in 2010 at 11,657 miles. Vehicle starts and runs. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.